So here, check the question number 2. If a coin is tossed 6 times, what is the probability? What is the probability of getting exactly 4 heads? 4 heads and at least 4 heads. So 2 questions here he asked. So write down solution. If a fair coin is tossed, then getting head probability is 1 by 2. Getting tail probability is 1 by 2. Both are 1 by 2s. Okay. And it was tossed 6 times. So n will be 6. It was tossed 6 times. So n value will be 6. The first question is, what is the probability of getting exactly 4 heads? So let us suppose x is equal to heads, number of heads. So the first question is probability of at least 4 heads. And one more question is also he is asking that exactly 4 heads. The first question is exactly 4 heads. Next question is at least 4 heads. First I am doing at least 4 heads, and then as a next case I am doing exactly 4 heads. Okay, exactly 4 heads. So at least 4 heads means P of x greater than or equal to 4. Exactly 4 heads means P of x is equal to 4. Okay. So we have a choice of getting up to 6 heads because 6 times or 6 coins are tossed. So you can write P of 4 plus P of 5 plus P of 6. Okay. So P of 4 means 6 coins are tossed out of select any 4, and getting head will be 4 and tail will be 2 plus P of 5 means 6C5. Getting heads, 5 heads are required, and tails will be, if out of 6 coins, 5 heads, 5 coins shows heads means 1 coin shows tail. P of 6 means 6 out of 6 coins are selected and all coins are showing heads. Okay. So this is equal to 6C4 head probability 1 by 2 power 4 and tail probability 1 by 2 power 2 plus 6C5 1 by 2 power 5 head probability 1 by 2 and tail probability 1 by 2 power 1, and last value 6C6 head probability 1 by 2 power 6. So therefore it is overall, if you check, 1 by 2 power 4 into 1 by 2 power 2 is 1 by 2 power 6. So in each and every term you are getting 1 by 2 power 6. Here also take a look at here. 1 by 2 power 5 into 1 by 2 power 1 is how much? 1 by 2 power 6. It was a direct value. So 1 by 2 whole power 6 is a common term. Then we have 6C4 plus 6C5 and plus 6C6. Okay. So 1 by 2 power 6 means how much? 1 by 64. 2 power 6 is 64. 6C4 is nothing but 62. 62. Okay. And 6C5 is nothing but 6C1. 6C6 is nothing but 6C0. So here I am using the formula of NCR is equal to NC n minus R. Equidistant binomial coefficients are equal. Okay. Therefore, 1 by 64 times of 62 is how much? 15. 61 is 6. 60 is 1. 15 plus 6, 21. 21 plus 1, 22. 22 out of 64. So 11 out of 32. This is the answer of the question. Actually, we have one more question. So exactly getting 4 heads. For exactly getting 4 heads, what is the choice? 64 and 1 by 2 power 4 into 1 by 2 power 2. 64 is 15. So 15 out of 64. This is the answer of this exactly 4 heads. Okay. Let's solve one more question. Question number 3. If x denotes the number of heads, so he said x is equal to number of heads in a single toss of 4 fair coins. 4 coins are tossed, or one coin is tossed 4 times, both are same. So n value 4. So that calculate p of x equal to 3. First question. P of x equal to 3 means P of heads, x is head, okay? Heads 3. So how many coins is there? 4 coins are tossing. So select any 3. And heads will be 3 required. So out of 4, 3 coins are showing heads means definitely the other coin shows tail. Okay, out of 4, 3 coins are showing heads means 1 coin shows tail. Okay, and we know that head probability is 1 by 2 and also tail probability 1 by 2. Okay, 4C3 is 4, head probability 1 by 2 power 3 and tail probability 1 by 2 power 1. So therefore 4 into 2 power 4, 4 and 2 power 4 got cancelled. So 1 by 4 is the answer of the first question. And take a look at the second question. P of x less than 2. P of x less than 2 means heads less than 2. Head less than 2. So that means x is 0. That means 0 heads. X is 1, 1 head. And we required below 2. Below 2 means only these 2 cases. Okay. So 4 coins are tossing. 0 coins are selected and they are showing 0 heads. That means all coins are showing tails. Okay. So tail power 4. P of x equal to 1 means 4C1. Head probability 1, because out of 4 we are selecting 1 coin and it shows head. And tail probability. So 1 coin shows head means remaining 3 coins shows tail. So that is equal to 4C0 is 1. Head probability 1 and tail probability 1 by 2 power 4 plus 4C1 is 4, 1 by 2 probability 1 and tail probability 1 by 2 power 3. So this is 1 by 16 plus 4 out of 16. So totally 5 out of 16 is the answer of the second question. Third question, P of x less than or equal to 2. P of x less than or equal to 2. Less than or equal to 2 means P of x is equal to 0 plus P of x is equal to 1 plus 2 is also included. P of x is equal to 2. We already calculated these two values. P of 0 and P of 1 was calculated as 5 by 16. So I am copying that value directly. P of x is equal to 2 is out of 4 coins select 2 and these 2 coins shows heads and remaining 2 coins shows tails. Okay, so 5 out of 16 plus 4c2 means 6. So 1 by 2 power 2 into 1 by 2 power 2. So that is 4 out of 16 plus 6 out of 16. So totally 11 out of 16 is the answer of this question. Next, fourth question, 1 less than x less than or equal to 3. Fourth question, P of 1 less than x less than or equal to 3. So that means it is more than 1. More than 1 means what? P of x is equal to 2. More than 1 means P of x is equal to 2 and P of x is equal to 3. Okay. So what is P of x is equal to 2? Out of 4 coins, select 2 coins. And these 2 coins shows heads. And the remaining 2 coins shows tail. Out of 4 coins, select 3 coins, 4c3. And those 3 selected coins shows heads. But we tossed 4 now. So 1 coin shows tail. 4c2 means 6. Head probability 1 by 2 square. Tail probability 1 by 2 square. 4c3 is 4. Head probability 1 by 2 cube. Tail probability 1 by 2 power 1. So that is equal to 6 by 16 plus 4 out of 16, which is equal to 10 out of 16. 10 out of 16 means you can cancel 2 table, 5 out of 8. So this question was completed. 10 coins are tossed. What is the probability of getting at least 8 heads? So here trials are 10 coins are tossing and getting head probability. You have to calculate head and tails for 1 coin. If 1 coin is tossed, then getting head probability 1 by 2 and getting tail probability 1 by 2. Okay. And you can say these values as P and Q also. Okay. So what is asking here, according to that, you should decide P and Q. So what is the question? Head. He is asking for head. So head will be P. And automatically a tail will be Q. Okay. So N is 10. So at least 8 heads. Let us suppose X is equal to number of heads. X is equal to number of heads. So he is asking at least 8 heads. So that is equal to probability of X greater than or equal to 8. X greater than or equal to 8. So what is X greater than or equal to 8 means P of 8, P of 9 and P of 10. So P of 8 means out of 10, select any 8. And here heads will be 8 and the tail will be 2 plus 10C9, head will be 9 and the tail will be 1. And 10C10, head will be 10 and tail is 0. Okay. So 10C8 means 10C2. Equidistance binomial coefficients are equal. NCR is equal to NCN minus R. Head probability 1 by 2 power 8. Tail probability 1 by 2 power 8 plus 10C9 is nothing but 10C1 and 1 by 2 power 9 and 1 by 2 power 1 plus 10C10 is 1 and 1 by 2 power 10. So overall, if you observe, 1 by 2 power 10 is a common factor. So 10C2 plus 10C1 plus 1. So this is 1 by 2 power 10 10C2 is 10 into 9 by 2 factorial, which is 45, plus 10C1 is 10 plus 1. This is 56 out of 2 power 10 is 1024, or 2 into 512. 2 got cancelled in 56 in 28 times. Again, one more 2 got cancelled 14 times. Here 256. One more 2 got cancelled 128. This is 7. So 7 out of 128 is the answer of this question. 4 cards are drawn one by one with replacement from a well shuffled pack of playing cards. Find the probability that at least one of the card is a diamond card. Okay. So how many trials they are making? 4 trials. Because how do you know that 4 trials they are making? 4 cards are drawn one by one means without replacement means again every time 52 is available on that cards. Okay. So getting diamond probability. So how many diamonds cards is there? 13 diamonds cards is there out of 52. So 13 goes to 52 1 by 4 times. And it's negation. Negation means not a diamond. Not a diamond. Say P is diamond card and Q is not a diamond card. Okay. So it will be 3 by 4. So out of 4 attempts, he is asking at least 3 cards are diamond. So X is equal to number of diamond cards. P of X greater than or equal to 3. Diamond cards will be more than or equal to 3. So that means P of X is equal to 3 plus P of X is equal to 4. So that is equal to P of X is equal to 3 means out of 4, select 3 times and you have to get diamond. How many times? 3 times. And one time you should not getting diamond card. Okay, Q plus 4C4. You have to get 4 times out of 4 times diamond cards. Okay. So 4C3 means 4. This is 1 by 4 power 3 into 3 by 4. Plus 4C4 is 1 and probability P is 1 by 4 whole power 4. So overall the denominator will be 4 power 4 and here 4 into 3 plus 1. So 12 plus 1 is 13 out of 4 power 4. 4 power 4 is 256. This is the answer of the question. A coin is tossed 4 times. So n value is 4 if X is the number of heads. So P is equal to say heads. You know the probability of head is 1 by 2. The probability of distribution of it. Then the probability of distribution of X is asking the distribution. So Q is equal to how much? Tail. So what is tail probability? 1 by 2. Okay. Let X is equal to number of heads. X is equal to number of heads. The distribution is X and here P of X. So 0 heads out of 4 times. Out of 4 times, select 0 times to get 0 heads. So head probability Q power 4 and P power 0. That means we should not get the heads. That is the meaning of 0. So 1 means 4C1. 4C1 head probability P power you have to get 1 time head and 3 times tails. Okay, so 2 times heads. So 4C2 and head will be 2 and tail will be 2. And 3 times? 3 times means out of 4 times. Select 3 times. And head probability will be 3, tail probability will be 1. And last case, 4. 4. This fourth case is select 4 times out of 4 times. And you have to get a head on that 4 times. Okay. So these are the values you should calculate here. Actually, we should not calculate the probability values. So 4C0 is 1. So you know that it is 1 by 2 power 4. So that means 1 by 16 it is. 4C1 is 4, 4 out of 16. Okay, 4C2 means 6, 6 out of 16. 4C3 is 4, 4 out of 16. 4C4 is 1, so 1 by 16. This is what called probability distribution.